An alias allows a single graphic tag to be controlled using multiple tag names during playout. In this rundown, we have two different layered items, one lower third and one full screen graphic. I will take in the lower third, then the full screen. As you can see, both graphics are on air and this is causing visual artifacts. In transition logic, they are not affecting each other because they belong to different layers and they are not communicating. We can easily fix this problem with aliases. Now, let's find the related motion design tag collection asset. We can find it from the lt_name tag transition logic. Its name is mdt_main. Double click and open it. Inside this collection, there are many tags for different graphics. Under the tags, you can find aliases. Click on the plus icon to create an alias. It requires a name, and you need to assign tags that are members of this tag collection. In our case, they are lower third and full screen. Let's rename it as lower third and full screen. Save it and return to the level. Now the alias we created will appear as a layer in transition logic. Select it as the layer and save the level. Now lt_name tag will respond to both lower thirds and full screen graphics. For the final test, let's add another lower third. As you can see, lt_name tag is reacting to both lower thirds and full screen graphics as if they are in the same layers. For the final part, I'll recreate the same rundown in Lino. First, let's search for the name tag. That's our first lower third. Next, team logos as the second lower third. For the full screen, search for fs_compare. Now I'll play them one by one. The transition logic and alias functions work the same way in Lino during live operation. First, the first lower third, then the second one, and then the full screen. You can't see the lower third in the background, but in the rundown you can see that it's still live. When I take the full screen out, you can see it again. If I play this lower third, the team logo is taken out. And if I play the compare again, the first lower third, which is using the aliases, the lt_name tag, disappears. Now I'll play the name tag again, and you can see the full screen graphics are taken out.